What's up, Peak Timers? Phil here from Peak Time Racing. It's case unboxing time, and today we have the 2021 Hot Wheels H case. I get all of my Hot Wheels cases from granitetoys.com. If you want to get your own Hot Wheels cases sent to you monthly, then go check out granitetoys.com. I will link it in the description box below. The regular treasure hunt for this case is the Mustang Funny Car, and the super treasure hunt for this case is the Datsun 510. Hopefully we get one of those cars in this case. Let's go ahead and unbox it. And we'll start it off right at the top right here. We'll pull out our first three cars. And our first one that we have is the 2020 Mustang Shelby GT500 in yellow. Then we've got the 2010 Pro Stock Camaro Pictionary Edition. We have the Nissan 390 GT1 or R390 GT1. New casting that we did see in the previous case, but really nice to get another one of those. And what else do we have up here? We've got the brand new white Lamborghini Urus. Doesn't that look awesome? Love that car. We've got the Arachnorod, and we've got the 2017 Acura NSX in red. And I think we've seen most of those ones before. New color for head gasket. Check out head gasket. Very cool looking casting. We've got the Road Bandit from the Hot Wheels Art Cars, and we've got the 1970 Volkswagen Baja Bug. We'll put those aside as well, and let's see what else we have here. We've got another one of the Lamborghini Urus cars, and we've got the Mustang Funny Car, and this one is our treasure hunt of the case. If we look at it really closely, just right here, just on the front right there, you can see on the fender the little treasure hunt logo. So we did get a treasure hunt for this case. Awesome. Next up, we have the Blade Raider in a brand new red color. Put those aside. And we've got the Toyota off-road truck. I love this casting, such a cool looking one. We have the T-Rex Destroyer and the Ain't Fair. And I'm not sure if Ain't Fair, I think this might actually be a new casting. We can check it out right there. Check out, even you can see the bike on the front of the Ain't Fair, and we can see the bike just right on the front of him right here. That's a pretty cool looking casting. Little bus thing. It'd be neat to see some new colors of that one in the future. What else do we have right up here? We've got the 71 Datsun 510. This is the regular of the super treasure hunt, so we can see this is not the actual super of it, but very cool indeed. I do like it. If we look at the wheels on here, the wheels do look slightly different than the ones that are included in the packaging. We have the 1970 Toyota Celica and another one of the Ain't Fairs. We'll put those aside. We've got the 2016 Ford GT Race in black, the 2017 Camaro ZL1, and ooh, that's a really cool looking one, the Draft Nader. I think this one might be a new one as well. That is really cool looking. It's like a racing truck, but it's meant to be maybe drifting. No, it's draft, so drafting would be racing. Pretty neat looking, and even in this X-Racers form. All right, we'll put him aside there, and we'll see what our next ones are. We've got Zombots. We've got the Robo Race Robo Car, the all-electric manless racing car. And we've got the Carbonator that actually opens up a can of whatever soda or pop you have. You can actually use this as a can opener. Pretty cool. I like that one. And we've got nice new custom Ford Bronco. Check out that color. Absolutely love that new color of it. Looks great. We've got the 94 Audi Avant RS2. This one is a brand new one as well. Check that one out. I can't wait to open that one up. We'll open that one up in the next few videos here. We've got the La Troca. Very neat. And what else do we have? The Volvo 850 Estate in yellow. We've seen that one before. Surfing School Bus in a brand new color. Wow. That is a crazy looking color. I like that. That is neat. Another one of the La Trocas. And we have down here a Bone Shaker Moon Eyes edition. That is cool. I love the Bone Shaker. One of my favorite fantasy castings. And then we've got the Moon Eyes edition of it. Awesome. Mine Cart. New color. And the RV There Yet. Another new color of that one. I think we've seen both of those last two ones in the previous case though. What else do we have here? We've got the Slide Kick. And we've got the Mattel Dreammobile. Nice new green color. And Eruption. All right, we're going down to the second half of this case. Another 36 cars here. What we have up here, there's another one of those Acura NSX. We've got the 2020 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 and the Honda Civic Si in black. I think we've seen all three of those ones in our previous case, but still cool to have some more of those ones. We've got the 1970 Toyota Celica again. We've got the Batman Arkham Knight Batmobile, the Camo Edition, and another La Troca. We've got three of those, I think, in this case so far. Interesting. All right, what do we have up here? There's another one of those Batmobiles. We've got the Rally Baja Crawler. This is from the Fast and Furious Spy Racers series. And, ooh, I love this Ford GT. Check that one out. Brand new color of the 2017 Ford GT from the Then and Now series. We did have the then version of this one, of the GT40, but now we've got the now variation of that one, so that's going to be cool to open up and put those side by side. And what else do we have here? Zombot, a 2017 Camaro ZL1, and the Total Disposal. All right. And let's see what we have up here. Another one of those Audi Avant RS2s, another one of the Draftnator, and a new tuned twin mill color. Actually, I think we did see this one previously in the last couple of cases, but I like this casting. It's a fun one. All right, we'll put those there. And what else do we have up here? The Mad Manga. We've got the Porsche 935, and ooh, I'm excited to see this one. The Mercedes-Benz 500E. I love these old bands. They look so cool. Very, very cool looking casting. Such a classic design car. Can't wait to open this one up in our next few videos here. What else do we have? We've got the Rocket Oil Special. Rocket Oil Special. This must be a brand new casting as well. I don't think I remember seeing this one before. Hot Wheels Art Car. That is cool. Looks like a classic race car. We've got the Toyota Off-Road Truck again. And it looks like a brand new color of the BMW M3 GT2. Check that one out. Very BMW colors with the red, white, and blue style with those wheels. I like these wheels. Don't those wheels look awesome? They look great. Excited to see those ones. All right, what else do we have up here? The Dodge van. A very exciting casting. I know I've said it before. You would think a Dodge van would be boring, but this is just such a cool looking casting, and I love the go-kart on the inside. It's very, very detailed, very nice looking casting. The Donut Drifter in a new color, and we did see this one in our previous case, but I love this color of this one, of the Land Rover Defender 90. Just looks so cool with the mud coming up on this and this kind of matte finish type paint job on there. So cool. One of my favorite Land Rover releases this year. And we've got another one of the Volvo 850 Estates, the T-Rex Destroyer again, and RV There Yet. There it is again. We saw that one before. What else do we have? Robo Race Robocar, the Batman Arkham Knight again, the Batmobile. I think that's the third one in this case, and a Road Bandit. And what else do we have? Getting down to the bottom here. The Davancinator, I think that's how you pronounce it. You can see right there. We've got the HW Formula Solar and another one of those Land Rover Defender 90s in the coolest color ever. I love it. All right, we'll put those aside. Our last three cars of the case. We've got the Heavy Hitcher. We've got another one of the Mercedes-Benz 500Es and the 69 Chevelle. Comment down below which was your favorite car of this case. We'll definitely be opening up most of these cars in their next few videos, guys. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.